Hey Zoe. Okay, I don't think this is as bad as I first thought, but I guess beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so let me know what you think. Okay, so anytime you have a constant out in front, you should factor it out. Maybe it makes the thinking a little bit simpler. So this becomes the integral of 270 out front x square root of 3x plus 1 dx. And so we're going to use substitution, and this is a technique that I don't see very often, particularly in IB. So a somewhat obvious choice for you is 3x plus 1, because when we take the derivative, at least we get rid of the constant. And the problem is we still have this x hanging out. So that's the issue. But then we'll take care of that in a second. So u equals 3x plus 1. So du equals 3 dx. And there's no 3 here. Right now, we're just going to concern ourselves with the dx. So I'm going to go ahead and say that 1/3 du is equal to dx. And we're going to put that in our back pocket for just a second. Okay, so now on to the problem. And our problem child is the x. I think we had just said that or that we had agreed that if we have u equal to 3x plus 1, that 3x plus 1 minus 1 would be equal to 3x. Obviously, 1 minus 1 is 0. So I'm going to go ahead and replace 3x plus 1 with u, because that's what it equals. So 3x plus 1 becomes u. So we can agree that u minus 1 is equal to 3x. Now, of course, the problem is I don't need to replace 3x. I need to replace x. Hey, this is an equation. Sorry about the hey. So we can divide both sides by 3, and we get 1/3 of u minus 1 is equal to x. How about that? So in other words, we are going to take 1/3 of u minus 1, and we're going to put that in for x. And then, of course, u equal to 3x plus 1 is going to go here. Oh, nope. Yeah, u equals 3x plus 1 is going to go here. And then we have the pesky dx. So I'll turn that red for my stupid little line. And so we're going to replace dx with 1/3 du. So we got 3 substitutions going on here, really, which is just the best. Okay, so that means with all this horrificness going on, we end up with 270 multiplied by the integral. Now x is being replaced with 1/3 times u minus 1. Square root of 3x plus 1, and 3x plus 1 is being replaced by u. So square root u. And then dx is being replaced with 1/3 du. So now we have 270. We'll clean this up a bit. Integral 1/3 times 1/3 is 1/9. U minus 1. I'm going to rewrite square root u as u to the 1/2. You'll see why in a second if you don't already. And then we have du. We can pull the 1/9 out. 270 times 1/9 is 30 times the integral of, distribute the u to the 1/2, and we have something that we can integrate. Yay! So u to the 1/2 times u is u to the 3/2 minus u to the 1/2 du. How about that? That is pretty nifty. So now we're in business. We can integrate this. So off we go. It's just a matter of how far your teacher wants you to simplify. So this would become 30 times, let's see, so that's 5/2, so that's going to be 2/5 u to the 5/2 minus, let's see, 2/3 u to the 3/2 plus c. And I'm going to go ahead and distribute the 30 before I bring in 3x plus 1. So that's going to be, let's see, oh my gosh, 12? Yeah, 12 u to the 5/2 minus 20 u to the 3/2 plus c. Then we'll put in back 3x plus 1, so that's going to be 12 times 3x plus 1 to the 5/2 minus 20 times 3x plus 1 to the 3/2 plus c. All right, hope you got it. Let me know, and looking forward to working with you again, hopefully. If not, then have a wonderful, wonderful summer, and love to work with you again next school year.